Welcome to Chemist Frank channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you things you are going to stop if you must be successful in forex trading. Now, watch this video from now to the end. Do not skip any part because I'm going to illustrate this with a clear example in a forex chart, and you are going to learn a new thing from this analysis. Thank you for watching my video. If you are watching this video for the first time, please like this video. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, endeavor to do that by clicking the red button to get subscribed. Now, this video is all about chasing the forex market. Forex traders chase markets all the time because they cannot wait for market to come to their zones. Take for instance, this is GBP USD. Okay, now the market is buying. As you can see, it's buying, breaking structures to the upside. Now, what do you do as a trader? You catch the impulsive movement. That is a safer trade for you. Okay, buy the market instead of selling the market. That's what we mean by impulsive moves, because buying it will give you more profit than selling it. Now, as it is now, the market has bought a lot, okay, and it's actually reacting on a supply zone, as a support. So what do? To trade this market, you are going to wait for the market to show you a reversal sign, a sign that says that this buy pressure has stopped, and then you can now join as a trader. Now let us play this video and see where the market shows exhaustion, that is, it is tired of buying. Then we can now sell the market. Now see this, the market is doing this, okay, that is breaking downwards. As a trader, you have to stay away at all these times until you see a clear break of structure to the downside. Now the market is trying to show a reversal sign, but not yet, okay, it's ranging within that area. Now traders, we are waiting until we got this. Can you see this? The market has broken. Now see the mistake traders do. Some traders will start selling the market from here because they have confirmed that the market has broken structure, and then it is going to sell massively, but not waiting for the market to come back into the fair value gap, which is above. And that's the mistake most traders do, which is bad in the trading. Now see what they do. They place a sell to here, okay, load up their positions, hoping that the market will sell. Right now, let's see if the market sold. Now, funny enough, the market will even make you feel that it wants to sell. That's the interesting thing about forex. It does as if it wants to sell, but unfortunately it is not selling. Even at this point, it's not selling. Now observe, their stop loss has gone at this point, so every seller at this particular point has been taken out. Now we are not still inside this market yet. Now at this point, we still want to know if the market has started reversing or is still playing around. So the market has not started selling because the fair value gap is above. Let me show you what I mean by fair value gap. Now see this is a zone where the market is supposed to come back and tap, okay, before it sells massively. Now let's see if it comes there. Once it taps into that box, I'm going to sell. Now see, so let's watch and wait and see if the market will respect that. Now the market is still dancing around, and then traders can still go for the second time. They'll be like, I won't give up in forex. They will load their second button, but it still take them out. Then until it tapped into that supply, as you can see. Now look at this. Some people can call this break and retest, or maybe retest of the support or whatever. But at this point, we are going to load our own bullet. We start doing selling from this point. You place your sell to. As far as this has been taken out, I'll just remove it, bring it to the next demand zone, which is here. Okay. Now the stop loss, most times I just use 15 pips to trade, but it should be above this box most times. Now once I've done this, I will now wait for the market to play out and see what goes. Now we are now watching the market. Good, the market has sold massively. The market is going to sell. So what happens is that we waited for the market to come back to a nice zone before we executed. I'm also going to show this on USD JPY, a trade I took yesterday. Now I fell victim of this, but I bounced back and took the trade positively. I'll still show you how it worked out. Now let me show you. This is on USD JPY. Let me just call it up right away. USD JPY. Good. Now the trade is currently running 200 pips today, but it was yesterday we entered it and we went our way with 50 pips or thereabout. So but today it is still running in profit. I know it will run in profit, but due to the volatility of markets, I didn't stay too long in that chart. Now let me show you this as well. I fall victim of the trade twice. Okay, so I took it the second time before it took me out. So let me make it clearer. Good. Now see this trade now is a clear downtrend, right? But there's a supply below. Now what happens is this: traders will be inquisitive to trade this because it has oversold, and then they are waiting for exhaustion before they can buy. Now let's play this and wait for the exhaustion and see how far with the market, if we are going to enter or not. Now see what happens. The market forming lower lows and lower high, right? Now this is a kind of a downtrend still. So even at this point, it's still a downtrend. Now see what happened, because I think it broke structure. Good. It has broken structure to the downside, as you can see. Good. Now, which means the market is still downtrending. So until it takes out the blue line above there, that means okay, there's a reversal. So let's wait. Now the market is still selling massively, so I will not do anything here. So let me remove all these things I just placed it before. So the market good. Now the market wants to take out the previous high, is it not? Now it has done that. What happens? Some traders will start buying this because they have confirmed that the market will start buying, but it is wrong. Like I used to tell some of my students, it's wrong. So what you do is you have to wait for it to come back to that fair value gap it's created below, and then you be on the safer side to take this trade. Now what happens is this: you have already placed your positions, just risking 20 pips or thereabout. Now let's watch the market play out. You press play, the market goes, it goes, it goes. You think it's going to buy, it gives you hope, but unfortunately it's coming against you seriously, because the fair value gap is just below, not at that spot. Some people can use Fibonacci retracement for this, or they use fair value gap. What matters is you know the zone. Now at this point our attention is called. So what do? We now load our bullets and buy this market. Now see what happens. Where I fall victim is this: that first I bought this from here, which is wrong as well, because the market will also come back to that yellow box and buy massively. Now let's see what happened. So yes, so yeah, yeah, actually I bought from this place because I thought the market won't come back to that zone again, but unfortunately I was a victim of this. So see what happened. Let's continue going. Let's continue going. Let's continue going. It tapped into that fair value gap before buying massively. Now see, now it took out my stop loss, right? So at this point I dropped this trade, the signal, in my telegram channel. Here is my telegram channel where I drop some of those signals. Okay, now see what happened. See the first shot we went. I told them to buy USDJPY, as you can see. And that was the first shot, not waiting for it to come back to that yellow spot. This is a signal, right? Now I told them we lost that trade because it took us out, like I demonstrated. Now see the second shot. I said this is the last shot on USDJPY that they should buy from that yellow box, okay, which is the fair value gap, which is so normal. Now see what happened. It moved very fast. Now let me show you the practical example of how it happened. Now see what happened. At this point I'm going to buy, so I'll just bring in my buy to from this particular spot, place it here because I bought from the zone. Of course you do your entry using a lower time frame like 15 minutes or a minute time frame, depending on your strategy. So this is what happened. This is what happened in USDJPY. So let us play this and see if it plays out fine or not. So at this point we entered. Now let's play this a bit. I will go to 1 hour so that it will be faster. Good. Now see, we already bought and then boom to the upside. Can you see this? Can you see the market moving up? Now this trade is currently running 210 pips, as a matter of fact. So it's still running in profit. We made money from this. Okay, so what matters in this is just waiting for the market to come to your zone. Once it comes to your zone, you are going to make money and then you're going to enjoy. Now as you know, I trade Naira account, and currently I'm trading MFF account as well. So I made 40,000 Naira from this trade. I'm going to show you. So now see, the market we are all in blues. Now this is the profit we made, 40,614 Naira. Now this is about the trade, and if you want to join this Telegram channel, the link is in the description box. Please don't fall a victim of scam. This is the profile picture of this Telegram channel. You can contact me if you have any question. All right, now don't chase the market, wait for it to come to the zone. Okay, do your analysis, wait patiently. As I'm talking to you now, there's a trade I'm waiting for on Euro USD. It didn't play out today, but I believe it's going to play out tomorrow, or maybe never. But if it didn't play out, I don't chase the market, I let it go, I let it slide, but I wait patiently until it comes to my zone. Now, as a matter of fact, July generally has not been a nice ground for trade. Market has been doing all sort of messy things. If you're a good trader, you understand what I'm saying. Me personally, I took few trades, and 60 to 70% of those trades are in losses. But I believe some days are like that. You you take losses, but the idea is to take more profits than losses. I love you guys. Please like this video, click the like button. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. That is by clicking the red button and then turning on the notification button, so that each time I post a new video, you are going to be the first to see my videos. Thank you for watching this video. Remain blessed.